Hello everyone, today, my friend Vince and I are excited to take you through the journey of restoring a car we rescued from a junkyard. When we first brought it home, it seemed beyond repair, but we were determined to give it a shot. Honestly, it looked incredibly old and worn out, but we wanted to challenge ourselves and see what we could do. First, we needed to completely disassemble the car to clean it thoroughly. We started by removing the exterior panels, which were rusted and covered in grime. Carefully, we unscrewed each piece, documenting the process so we could reassemble everything correctly later. Once the exterior was off, we moved on to the chassis, which required even more effort. The frame was caked with years of dirt and rust, and it took a lot of elbow grease to clean it properly. Next, we tackled the internal components. The engine, transmission, and other mechanical parts were our focus. This was an incredibly time-consuming task because many of the bolts and screws were rusted and stripped, making them difficult to remove. We used penetrating oil, heat, and sometimes shear force to get them out. Each component was then cleaned meticulously, removing all the accumulated grime and rust. During this process, I couldn't help but marvel at what the car must have gone through. It had clearly endured countless challenges over the years, and that thought only made me more determined to bring it back to life. The saying, "You only fail when you stop trying," kept running through my mind, motivating me to keep pushing forward. After we had removed and cleaned the exterior and basic internal parts, we moved on to the more complex components. This included the intricate wiring, the fuel system, and the suspension. Each of these parts required a different approach and a lot of patience. The wiring had to be carefully traced and labeled to ensure it would be reconnected correctly. The fuel system was cleaned and inspected for leaks or damage. The suspension parts were scrubbed, and any worn-out components were set aside for replacement. All of this work took an incredible amount of time, much more than we had initially anticipated. But with each cleaned and restored part, we could see the car slowly coming back to life. This detailed and labor-intensive process not only tested our skills and patience, but also strengthened our resolve to see the project through to the end. The car had a story, and we were determined to give it a new chapter.